Alright, today is Tuesday, May 12th here in Erie, PA, and, well, we're halfway through May now, and it has been freezing. At most, we've had 50-degree days, but most of the time, it's low and mid-40s. That is freezing for halfway through May. And we're having frost advisories, too. And in the morning, it's frosty out. What happened to warm nights? This is May. We should be able to start growing. And yet we're having temperatures that we'd be seeing in like February and early March. But since they changed everything, so the seasons aren't even right, the months that are supposed to be warm are not even warm. That's the problem. This has to stop. This weather modification needs to stop. Even when the sun is out, it is cold. The sun was out earlier and it was still 40s and 50s. So it has been so cold that you can't even enjoy being outside, and you can't even enjoy the sun because of the weather modification, cloud seeding, and the sky is often like this where it's completely covered. Only we don't get as much sun as we should ever, and we still have been getting a good amount of rain. And when it rains, it's like a flooding downpour. Nothing about the weather is normal, and we know why. They're playing with the weather. They are modifying it and changing it. And we're freezing. The wind is always cold. It's never a warm wind. There used to be warm winds. You'd have cold winds and you have warm winds. Well, we never have warm winds. It's always cold Arctic winds. It's ridiculous. Anyway, thank you all for watching. This is Erie Sky Watching in Erie, PA, and I'll keep you updated on the weather. God bless.